guess you can technically call me a writer, but I'm not a writer. I don't exactly write, as one would say an artist creates art. I write content. It's an okay gig. Pays the bills. Tedious, uninspired, repetitive, like good old Sisyphus up and down the hill, eternally carrying his rock. What's the point of it all, you know? Where's the fire? Where's the passion? I don't know. Maybe I'm just depressed. They say 1 out of 5 adults will experience a mental health problem in their lifetime. I'm just another statistic. I impulsively decided to buy one of those annoyingly noisy but cool-looking mechanical keyboards. Some retail therapy. Little did I know that this was just the beginning of something bigger. Some would call it an expensive hobby, others an obsession. I like to think it's a way of life. Why, you may ask, would someone buy, let alone build and modify a mechanical keyboard, which could end up costing hundreds of dollars and hours of tinkering? There is something about being able to customize and define our own experiences, even if it's just something as seemingly mundane as typing. There's also the element of tactility and the engagement of the senses. The distinctive feel of the actuated key mechanism, the wholesome sound of a Thoki key press, the visually pleasing aesthetic of a color-coordinated keyboard layout. It's an experience that keeps us grounded in the present moment, a throwback antidote to the modern malaise. I mean, if you're gonna do something day in and day out, might as well try to enjoy it, you know? Why settle with boring and practical? Be bold. Savor every moment. Make your life click.